Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to make TikTok video of 60 seconds. So step 1, log into your account. So to do that, first you need to tap TikTok. Then step 2, tap the plus sign at the bottom. And now your camera is turned on. In the below, before the record button, you can see the three option and choose 60s means 60 seconds, and then tap the red button to make a video of TikTok. After that, you can upload your video. So that's how to TikTok video of 60 seconds. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.